no, as a client,
yes,
I understand my need.
Okay.
And I come to your office or I give you a call.
Okay.
So can you guide us through the process of from the time I come to your office and we agree, and now you're going to fabricate the meter board for me, for my site.
Okay, now once you give me a call or maybe you meet physically.
Yes, yes.
Of course, you have a need.
Yeah.
That is the first thing.
Yes.
So I will try to have a conversation with you and get to know really what is your need. Because some of the clients that I meet, some of them, they really don't know exactly.
Yeah.
They just have a rough idea. Yeah, just know that I'll do this, I just want this. So we must have a conversation so that we can come up with the actual schematics. So what the schematics are, the things that are supposed to be fit in that board. So according to the need, like for example, like I've said this one, though there was no need of changeover contactors,
yes,
because there was no an alternative source of power.